guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina and I would love it so much if you would subscribe. Today we're going to be doing a what I spend in a week video. I'm going to give a little bit of disclosures at the beginning of this because I know when discussing money things can get a little bit heated. I am a 26-year-old woman who lives in Illinois. I own a home, I own my car, and I realize in the grand scheme of things I'm very blessed. I'm not going to be changing anything how I live my life in this video. I'm going to be doing everything the way that I would normally do it. I'm just going to be filming every time I make a purchase. I'm filming this Monday through Monday so that you guys can get a full kind of view of my life. Full disclosure though, I generally would order groceries on Monday, but we have been traveling for 2 weeks, which is out of the norm for us. So we didn't have any groceries in our house. So we actually ordered groceries yesterday. And the way that I do groceries is I plan out meals for the week and order grocery pickup. So I'm assuming that you'll see me do that next week, but I wanted to throw that out there because I'm sure some of you are going to be like, why didn't you get groceries? I got groceries yesterday and I didn't want to start filming this until today because of my schedule. Yesterday was my only day off for quite some time and I wanted to kind of have that where I wasn't filming. With that being said, I was actually coming to the nail place right now because I needed to get my nails done. One of my nails broke and the paint job on this is just awful, but I have to be at work in like 20 minutes and they are way too busy. I waited in there for some time, but they are way too busy. So because I have a little extra time, I just got a text message saying that I have a prescription I need to pick up. So I'm gonna go do that real quick because I believe that I have a urinary tract infection and I am uncomfortable as heck. So I'm gonna go pick that up. And they may have something else. I'm not sure if they have another prescription. I keep getting a notification for it. So I'm gonna go to Walgreens and pick that up and then I will let you know how much I spend at Walgreens. And I ate my breakfast, which is something that I ordered yesterday when I got groceries, so technically it's free, but I wanted to show it. It's these little bite muffin things. I ordered them because I knew that I was going to need snacks for work because I'm working at a different location now and it's not going to be as easy for me to get food as it was working closer to home. So I did bring snacks. I also brought some Smart Pop and some Diet Dr. Pepper because that's my jam. So that technically is free and that was my breakfast / lunch snack. It's about 11:30 right now and I work 12 to 8, so that'll be my breakfast lunch snack thing. So I just went to the pharmacy. I picked up one prescription I think and I paid $1.72. If you guys want the receipt, I'll show you a picture of that in a second, but I'm trying to rush to work now because I have like 10 minutes to get to work because everybody and their cousin was at the pharmacy trying to get medicine and I had to wait longer than I anticipated, and so now I'm going to be late for work. Another free meal, my snack pop that I brought from home, and some Diet Pepper while I'm at work. I told you guys I'm a snacker. So it's much later in the day now and I ended up having my partner's Jacob stop by to get my card so that we could go get dinner, well, like a late lunch, and he spent way more than I was expecting to, but we went to Wendy's and I got food for the both of us and we ended up spending $21.67. That's upside down, but that's how much we spent. So yeah, that was a little bit more than I was wanting to spend. I really am trying to stop eating out and I'm hoping that we can do that because it's expensive and it's really bad for us, but we were supposed to have pizza tonight for dinner and I don't know if that's happening, and I didn't prepare like I should have for food today at work. So I did have him go get that and I spent $21.67 on a late lunch / early dinner. Guys, I am home now. It is late, like almost 10 o'clock at night, and we're getting ready to have dinner. We are cooking dinner at home tonight, so that is included with the groceries that we bought yesterday. So that is technically free. So with the things I purchased today, I spent a total of $23.39 for today. And I will catch up with you guys tomorrow to see what I spend tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's now Tuesday and I am at work again. I'm opening today, so I made sure that I packed plenty of snacks to get me through the day. I brought 2 Dr. Peppers. I already had my breakfast. I got some pizza for lunch and then I got some more Smart Pop. It's actually called Skinny Pop, but it's so good for a little snack thing. So I should be good as far as spending money because yesterday I was ill prepared and I was upset that I spent $22 on Wendy's. So I didn't want that to happen again today. So I did pack enough, and then when I get off work at 5, I'm going to rush to the nail salon to get my nails done because they need it so bad. So I will catch up with you guys when I get to the nail salon. So I just left the nail salon and got my nails done. I'm super happy with them. That cost me $40 plus, well, with my tip. And then I'm going to send my friend Gil $25 as a donation because she rescues stray cats and helps take care of them. She's actually how I got to keep Arthur, my newest cat. He was a stray when I got him, and she helped pay for the majority of my medical bills to keep him. So I'm very fortunate for her. She's always doing stuff like this. She has such a good heart. So she just got a cat that has been severely burned and is going to need a lot of care, so I'm going to send her $25 to help pay for that. It's not a lot, but it hopefully will help with something. I just realized that I need gas, so I'm going to go put gas in my car. Okay, so I'm back home now. I didn't end up getting gas because the gas station that I normally go to helps you pump the gas, and they were not helping me, and because my chair's broke, I'm just gonna have Jacob do it when he gets off work. I did forget to mention that today my Chewy subscription came out. I order my cat's food, litter, all that stuff on Chewy. This time I only got litter and little like toys for them to play with because I accidentally ran over their other ones. And so the total for that shipped was $24.54. I believe, I will double check and add it correctly. I'm pretty sure it was $24.54 or $24.52. So that will be added to the total today, and then I will let you know my gas total at the end of the day when Jacob pumps it. Just got out of the bathtub. Jacob went and got my gas. My total for gas was $19.50, and then I looked up that Chewy thing earlier. It was $24.52. So with everything that I spent today, my total was $109.02. Happy Wednesday! This is the third day of the challenge, guys, and I have no intentions of spending money today. I work all day. I work from 10:30 to 6, and I have about a 30-minute commute each way, so that's, I won't be getting home until like 6:30 or 7, and then we're cooking dinner at home again, so I don't have any intentions on spending money today. So I may just throw in little clips of me doing stuff today so that today is not boring, but I've already went over what I would have liked to spend this week, but yesterday was more of kind of a chaotic day, and I didn't plan for some of those things. Well, I did. The only one I didn't accommodate for was the donation to the Guild. We'll see how today goes, and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Just got home from work, and I actually did end up spending some money today. I PayPal Jacob $6 to get some deodorant for me. Hi, are you trying to say hi to everybody? I PayPal Jacob $6 to get my deodorant. He is out right now, so I just sent him the $6 because it's about $6 for my deodorant. So I sent him that on PayPal, but that's the only money that I've spent today, and I needed some deodorant because I'm out. He keeps trying to play with me. So $6 is all I've spent so far today, and it is approximately 6:43. It is the end of Wednesday. I've spent the last couple of hours filming and editing videos, so the only money that I spent today was the $6 that I PayPal Jacob to get me some deodorant. That was $6 more than I wanted to spend today, but I really needed deodorant because I ran out this morning. So it's a new day. Today is Thursday, I think. I'm not sure. Let me check. I think it's Thursday, and I am on my way to work. I work 10:30 to 6 again, so I'm gonna be gone. It's like 10:17 right now. Oh, not 10:17, 10:07. I'm rushing to work. Jacob packed my lunch. We're running out of things, like snack things. We go through those pretty quickly because he and I both work all the time, so we take them. So I didn't get my muffins today, but he did give me like a little like Fiber One bar that I'm gonna eat for breakfast, and then I got some popcorn, and then I have leftovers from the meatloaf that I made the other day, which is super good, and then I have the soda. So I shouldn't have to spend any money today while at work. There are some things I need to get for gifts, but I'm kind of tight on cash right now, so I think I'm gonna wait till I get paid again. I have a Secret Santa that I'm buying for my work, and then I also have a giveaway. I want to do a giveaway with you guys, but I'm trying to plan the giveaway so that I can involve other people, so it's less of a burden for me. I don't know if I'm going to purchase those. I was honestly going to purchase some of the gifts last night from Ulta because they had like a really good, like, spend $50, get some free stuff. They had some really good stuff for free, but I do not have the money right now to spend, so I decided to wait. We are getting our Christmas photos taken on Sunday, so I need to look for a dress for that. I need to call Jacob and see if he has something that's going to match. But so there's a lot of things that I need to buy, but I physically cannot right now, so I'm kind of holding off. It's now the end of Thursday night, and I am feeling not very well. I worked all day, and now I'm just feeling really sick, so I'm gonna go lay down. But I did want to tell you that today I did buy a dress for our Christmas photos off Amazon. I spent $23.99 with shipping, and I'm really excited about it. But as soon as I placed the order for the dress, I found out Jacob has to work, and we may have to cancel our photos, so I'm kind of bummed about that. The photographer hasn't responded back yet, but I'm hoping we don't have to because I'm really excited. But I'm gonna get the dress anyway because I need a nice dress, but $23.99 on that, and then I spent $4.60 at Wendy's after work because I was wanting a snack, and I think that's the reason that I'm not feeling very good right now. So my total for those, I believe if my math is correct, should be $28.59. Another day of working all day. Good morning, it's Friday, guys. We only have a couple more days left in this challenge, but it has been a week for sure. I'm on my way to work right now. I work noon to close, so I'm gonna be there all day again today. The only thing about today is I do not have any snacks. We ran out of snacks for the week, so we may have to push up our grocery trip. So all I brought was Dr. Pepper for me to drink because I love me some Diet Dr. Pepper. So if I decide that I want to eat at work, I am allowing myself to not feel guilty about going to get food. But with that being said, I don't feel very good today. I started my period and I just felt very like bleh. I had a big breakfast. I think that I'll be okay, but we will see what happens. Just getting off work. It is approximately 9 o'clock at night. I had such a busy day at work, but I ended up having Subway picked up for me, so I ended up spending $9.12. Hi, it is now a Saturday and I am at work. I just placed an order for grocery pickup today because, like I said, we were running very low on groceries, and my total for grocery pickup was $80.12, and that will feed me and my partner for a week, plus some snacks and stuff like that to get us back and forth to work. So there was a little bit of mix up with the grocery pickup because there was a substitution, so I don't actually know what I've technically spent. I don't know where I got that number earlier, but the number that came out of my bank account that's pending right now is $83.35. I also spent $20.96 on some pasta because we didn't have any food and I didn't want to leave work, so I ordered some Domino's to my work, and that was $20.96. And then we just went to one of Jacob's friends' bonfires, hung out for a little bit, and I decided that I wanted to get dinner when I was coming back, so I spent $7.92 on McDonald's, which brings my total today to $112.23. I did really bad today because I spent almost $30 in food to eat out, which is no bueno, not good. I don't like that. Like I said, I've been trying not to eat out, but we were low on food today, and then we were out all day, so still not good. I don't want it to happen, but it did, and I can't beat myself up. It is now Sunday and I'm in my car again. I just dropped Jacob off at his friend's house after we got done. There's a kitty cat. After we got done taking Christmas photos. This is not something that I normally have ever spent money on. In fact, Jacob and I have never got our photos professionally done, and I cannot think of a time that I have ever physically paid for my professional photos to be done. I've had professional photos of me done, like I had my senior pictures, but those were paid for by my sister, so I've actually never paid for them before, and it's not something that I've done before, but I wanted to do that because Jacob and I don't have a lot of photos of us together, and my friend Erica is an insanely talented human being, and she was running a Christmas special, so I wanted to support her but also get some bomb-ass photos of Jacob and I. So I did drop $100 on those, and that includes the session, and I'm pretty sure it comes with like digital photos for us. I'm not sure what all it includes, but I think we do get like either prints or digital, I'm pretty sure. So I think that's a really, really good price, and I'm really excited because Erica's amazing, and I'm just excited to have photos of us. So that's what I did, and I'm in the town that I used to work in right now, so I'm actually going to treat myself, and I'm gonna get McAllister's. I have spent so much money on fast food this week, I know that, but if I'm being 3,000% transparent, I have been in one of the worst mental states of my entire life. I cannot remember a time that I've ever been this down. Right now, I'm not putting on a show. Right now, I'm actually just in a better mood, but this morning was not the case. I ended up taking a really long bath and kind of like allowing myself to just be without any distractions, and I kind of got out everything that I needed to get out. So I'm gonna fucking spend money on myself. I'm not gonna feel bad about it. I have the money and a fucking BLT from McAllister's is what's going to make me happy right now, so I'm doing it. So I will catch back up with you in just a second when I get McAllister's. I have filmed this so many times and I just keep rambling, so I'm going to try to get straight to the point. My total for McAllister's was $11.01, which brings my total for the week to $399.36, and that number is eye-opening for me. I think I just calculated it like almost $70 in fast food this week, which is insane because I thought that I was doing better about eating out. And this week I did eat out more than I have been because we kind of got accustomed to eating out by traveling so much. And because we were traveling, we didn't have groceries, but $70. And I thought that I did okay eating out this week. It's just crazy how much money it is. But like I said in my last clip, I'm not going to feel bad for buying this McAllister's because it does bring me joy, and I'm not going to get into my mental health right now. It's not something that I want to talk about, but I haven't been in a good headspace, guys. I've really not, and I want to be able to buy something that makes me happy, and I'm fortunate that I'm in a place now that I have the extra money to do that, because 2 years ago this wouldn't have been the case. I've been working since I've been working for 2 years. Before that, well, let me backtrack. I've been working for 2 years since my accident. So 2 years ago, I got my first job since my accident. And before that, from age 19 to age 25, I lived on like $300 or something for disability. Of course, it changes a little bit each year, but I lived on a very, very, very low income. And I don't know how I made it work because I lived alone. I paid all my bills. And yes, I got food stamps and all that stuff, but I made it work. I learned how to budget, and I think that has now translating into me actually making a pretty decent paycheck, being able to manage it and stretch it and work it, because there was a couple months ago where Jacob didn't have a job and I was the only one paying the bills. We own our home, like I said, and that in itself is a lot of money. I was paying all the bills, and I somehow managed to make it work so that we survived. And so I'm fortunate that I'm here now. I learned how to budget, I learned how to save money, and I learned how to be able to treat myself. So I'm fortunate that I'm able to do things like get my nails done and buy Christmas photos for us, because that wouldn't have been the case 5 years ago, and I'm very fortunate for that. But like I said, this challenge was super eye-opening, and it's crazy to think that I spent almost $400 in a week. That's a lot of money, but I'm really thankful that I'm in a place now where I'm able to do that. So I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, let me know, and maybe I can do something again a little bit later to kind of show you a different week in my life and spending money, to see how that goes, because every week obviously is going to be different. But let me know what you guys thought in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.